Hey there, fellow farmers and agriculture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things related to farming equipment. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the comparison between rubber tracks and agricultural tires. If you've ever wondered which option is best for your farm, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right into it. When it comes to choosing the right equipment for your farm, one important decision to make is whether to use rubber tracks or agricultural tires. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages, and understanding their differences will help you make an informed choice. Let's explore each aspect in detail. First of all, let's have a look at the latest addition to the farming world, the rubber tracks. Rubber tracks have gained popularity in recent years due to their unique benefits. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Enhanced traction. Rubber tracks provide excellent traction, especially on challenging terrains like muddy fields or steep slopes. This is because tracks have a larger surface area in contact with the ground, which helps to distribute the weight of the machinery more evenly. The increased surface area of the tracks distributes weight evenly, reducing the risk of getting stuck. 2. Reduced soil compaction. Compared to agricultural tires, rubber tracks exert less pressure on the ground, minimizing soil compaction. This can be particularly beneficial for preserving soil health and crop yield in the long run. 3. Improved stability. Rubber tracks offer better stability, especially on uneven surfaces. The wider footprint and lower center of gravity provide enhanced stability, reducing the risk of tipping over. 4. Flotation. Rubber tracks also have better flotation than agricultural tires. This means that they are less likely to sink into soft or wet soil. This is important for preventing soil compaction and rutting. Now let's have a look at features of our old friends, the agricultural tires. While rubber tracks have their advantages, agricultural tires also have their own merits. Let's explore them. 1. Versatility. Agricultural tires are highly versatile and can be used on various farming equipment, including tractors, combines, and trailers. They can be easily interchanged between different machines, providing flexibility in farm operations. 2. Lower initial cost. Compared to rubber tracks, agricultural tires generally have a lower initial cost. This can be a significant factor for farmers on a tight budget or those with smaller operations. 3. Higher speed. Agricultural tires allow for higher travel speeds, which can be advantageous for time-sensitive tasks like planting or harvesting. The ability to cover more ground in less time can increase overall efficiency on the farm. Agricultural tires can travel faster than rubber tracks because tracks have more friction with the ground. Rubber tracks are not designed for high-speed travel, which can limit the tractor's overall speed and efficiency. This may not be a significant issue for some farm tasks, but it can be a disadvantage for others. Are you enjoying our content? We post modern tech review videos on a daily basis. If that's your area of interest, make sure to subscribe to our channel, smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to our comparison of rubber tracks and agricultural tires, let's have a look at some additional key aspects. Maneuverability-wise, agricultural tires are more maneuverable than rubber tracks. This is because tracks are less flexible and cannot turn as sharply. Regarding cost, rubber tracks are more expensive than agricultural tires. They also require more maintenance, as they have more moving parts. Durability-wise, rubber tracks are generally more durable than agricultural tires. This is because they are less likely to puncture or go flat. Overall, the best choice for your agricultural machinery will depend on your specific needs. If you need a machine with excellent traction and flotation, rubber tracks are the better choice. However, if you need a machine that can travel faster and is more maneuverable, agricultural tires are the better choice. Modern kits have made it possible to change easily between rubber tracks and agricultural tires. However, there are some additional considerations you need to make before deciding on whether to go for rubber tracks or agricultural tires. One consideration is the soil conditions your machine will be working in. If you work in wet or muddy conditions, rubber tracks are the better choice. If you work in dry or sandy conditions, agricultural tires may be a better option. Another consideration is terrain. If you work on hilly or uneven terrain, rubber tracks are the better choice because they provide better traction and stability on hills and uneven surfaces. Regarding type of machinery, some types of agricultural machinery, such as combine harvesters, are better suited to wheels and tires. Other types of machinery, such as bulldozers and excavators, are better suited to tracks. Budget is another factor to consider. Rubber tracks are more expensive than agricultural tires. If you are on a tight budget, agricultural tires may be a better option. The price of agricultural tires and rubber tracks varies depending on the size, type, and brand. However, in general, rubber tracks are more expensive than agricultural tires. For example, a set of high-quality agricultural tires for a tractor can cost around $2,000. A set of rubber tracks for the same tractor can cost around $5,000. The higher cost of rubber tracks is due to a number of factors, including the materials used to make rubber tracks are more expensive than the materials used to make agricultural tires. Rubber tracks are more complex to manufacture than agricultural tires. Rubber tracks have a shorter lifespan than agricultural tires. It is important to weigh all of these factors before making a decision. If you are still not sure which option to pick, you may also want to consult with a local agricultural equipment dealer to get their recommendations. And that's a wrap for today's video on the comparison between rubber tracks and agricultural tires. We hope you found this information helpful in making an informed decision for your farm. Remember, both options have their own unique advantages, so it's essential to consider your specific needs and requirements. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.